Hello guys, in this lesson we are going to learn about wallets. We need wallets in order to store our coins and to get the public address we need to receive more coins. Some of the wallets are available as applications to be installed in the computer or mobile apps, and some other wallets are extensions for our browser. You could also use exchanges or trading applications like Coinbase to get your public address. My favorite kind of wallet are those extensions for the browser, since we can log in into decentralized finance websites to do trading. Some examples of the most common wallets are Atomic Wallet, Trust Wallet, Exodus, Coinbase, Metamask. In this case, Metamask is available as a Chrome extension. We have Guarda, there is Phantom, which is specific for the Solana network, and then we have TronLink, specific for the Tron blockchain. In the case of Metamask, it comes by default with the Ethereum network, but we can add more networks like the Binance Smart Chain network and also Matic. One important thing to keep in mind is to check for the network compatibility of your wallet. This is important when you are doing transactions with tokens. At the time of this recording, Atomic Wallet, Trust Wallet, Coinbase and Exodus only have support for ERC20 tokens. This means coins or tokens running on the Ethereum network, so you cannot receive BEP20 tokens on these wallets. BEP20 refers to tokens running on the Binance Smart Chain network, and TRC20 refers to tokens or coins running on the Tron blockchain. Let's practice now with an example. Let's say you are mining Shiba Inu. In this case, if your wallet is Atomic or Exodus, then you would select ERC20 as the network in Unmineable. If on the contrary, your wallet is using the Binance Smart Chain network, then you would select BEP20. The difference between these networks is basically that Ethereum network at the moment is really expensive. The fees per transactions could go easily around $50 or more, and this depends on the network congestion. Other blockchains, like the Tron blockchain, have free transactions, and the Binance Smart blockchain offers transaction fees of only cents of a dollar or less. Now let's take a look at some of the wallets. In this case, Metamask will have the Ethereum blockchain. You can also add the Binance Smart Chain blockchain. Guarda will look something similar like this. You will get support for many different coins, and all you have to do is click on your coin and you will get your public wallet address to receive some of your tokens or coins. TronLink will look something similar to this. You will have your Tron and also your TRC20 tokens. Now let's take a look at how the wallets would connect to some of the most popular decentralized finance apps and NFT markets. In the case of PancakeSwap, you can connect a wallet. In my case, I'm going to connect Metamask, and this will allow me to exchange my tokens and coins. I will have my balance, and then I can select a token or a coin and do the trade. In the case of Uniswap, I will connect the Ethereum network of my wallet, which is Metamask, and then I will be able to place some trading operations. In the case of NFT markets, I can see here that my wallet is already connected, so this will allow me to buy and sell some of these NFTs. With ERC20 wallets like Atomic or Exodus, you can easily export your private keys and import them into Metamask. In this way, the funds available to you on Atomic or Exodus would also be available in Metamask, allowing you to connect and interact with sites like Uniswap or OpenSea. I hope this has been interesting. If you have questions, don't hesitate to send me a message or find me in the Discord channel. See you on the next video.